Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in a Ford F-250. Begin by finding the low-pressure port near the accumulator and attaching a compatible R134A canister with a gauge set. Check pressures, compare them to manufacturer ranges, and add refrigerant slowly while monitoring the gauge. Avoid overfilling and wear protective gloves and eyewear. If readings are unstable or cooling doesn't improve, stop and consult a pro for leaks or system faults. Before you recharge, warm the engine a bit so pressures stabilize and the compressor cycles normally. Find the low-pressure service port. It usually has a plastic cap labeled low or L. Inspect hoses, fittings, and the condenser for obvious damage or leaks. Keep rags handy for spills and keep children and pets away. Working calmly and methodically reduces mistakes and helps you get accurate pressure readings for a safe recharge. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more truck tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and help you budget for maintenance and upgrades. It pairs well with DIY savings tips and long-term vehicle planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy through those links, it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Attach the gauge to the low port and purge any air from the hose to avoid contamination. With the truck running and AC maxed, open the CAN valve slowly and add R134A in short bursts, watching the low side pressure closely. Aim for manufacturer-recommended pressures and stop if numbers climb quickly. Once the target is reached, disconnect, replace the cap, and monitor cabin temperature to confirm improved cooling performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.